Hey, have you ever planned your entire day which included a lot of study time, but by the time you reached home from school, you're so tired and you lose all your focus and all you can think about is sleep, and when you wake up, you feel extremely lazy and boom, all your plans are cancelled. If that's your case, which is what I think it is, then don't worry, we are right here to help you. Watch this video to know how you can stay focused and study after you're tired coming home from school. Also, wait, don't take the risk of skipping through points because this video holds some exciting announcements which includes gift hampers and much more. So, let's get started. Number 1. Remove all the distractions. See, when we talk about tiredness, it is very important to understand the root cause of it, and that is procrastination. You tend to procrastinate when you are the most of the time surrounded with distractions. Either it is your phone, scrolling through social media sites, and various other things. Hence, to avoid that, you first need to clear all the distractions, sit at a place where you keep yourself away from your gadget. By doing this, you will not find yourself feel tired, and also you will be able to concentrate better in your studies. Tip number 2. Drink enough water. Lack of water in the body may cause dehydration, and dehydration often leads to tiredness. Hence, every time you come back from school, make sure you have enough water in your body. Also, experts say that when you are hydrated enough, you are able to concentrate better in your studies. Hence, also try and sip some water during your study sessions. Tip number 3. Avoid heavy meals. The heavier you eat, the more sleepy or tired you will feel. Hence, make sure that your breakfast is really heavy and are rich in proteins. Breakfast that includes oats, boiled eggs, etc. And most of the time for lunch, avoid having rice since you will feel more lazy and you won't be able to study well. Tip number 4. Switch topics. Another way of tackling tiredness is to switch topics while you study. Because when you are continuously studying a chapter or a topic for a long time, it's obvious that your mind is going to feel tired and bored and eventually will start sending sleepy signals to your body. Hence, to avoid that, keep changing your topic. Studying like this will make your mind more active. At the same time, it will be ever ready to grasp information faster. Number 5. Never study right after class. Do something unrelated to studying. To do something very different and exciting, we have Yellow Class. Yellow Class is a platform that can transform your hobbies and passions. They provide training for activities like dancing, singing, art and craft, yoga, cooking, etc. It is an educational platform too. And guess what? It's absolutely free. These classes are formed by professionals like Shan, Ripu Daman Handa, Salman Yusuf Khan. Here's an exciting news. In the month of April, they are holding a contest and the winners will be winning Apple iPad, Smart TV and much more. To participate in this, all you have to do is just download the app now and you will be automatically eligible to participate in this contest. So, what are you waiting for? The link of this app is mentioned in the description below. Tip number 6. Don't go for all night. The reason why you might feel lazy, tired and eventually sleepy is because you probably didn't sleep well at night. Hence, always keep in mind the future morning planning rule. That is, you decide in your mind that you will sleep early because you don't want your next day to be drowsy. Tip number 7. Easier tasks first. When you feel like the tiredness is hitting you, that's the time you make a decision to finish the easier tasks first. By doing the easier task first, you tend to feel that you're capable enough to study harder and the motivation helps you focus on your studies and thus removing the tiredness. Tip number 8. Take a shower. One thing that works well when you are tired is just having a nice shower. Taking a shower has the ability to not only keep your body but also your mind awake and fresh. This helps you focus better while you're about to study. Tip number 9. Don't skip your meals. In order to feel energetic and stay focused while you study, you should have a good meal. Now make sure your meal is not very heavy, but at the same time skipping your meal is not a good idea as you need to have enough energy to memorize and study as well. Tip number 10. Consider one thing at a time. See, you may also lose focus on things when you keep switching and doing various things at the same time. more like multitasking. For that to not happen, you need to make sure that you finish one task and then move on to the next one. Tip number 11. Take a power nap. To be very honest, a power nap won't do much harm to you. Try taking a power nap of about 30 minutes, but be sure that it's not more than that, as you wouldn't want to feel even more lazy after you take that nap. Tip number 12. Massage your eyes. One good way of also keeping the tiredness away is to massage your eyes whenever you can. Gently rub your palm and place them on your eyelids. Doing this will give your eyes a sort of relaxing feeling. At the same time, your sleepiness and tiredness will eventually go. Tip number 13. Organize your workplace. Make sure that your study table is well organized, because when you have lots and lots of clutter on your study table, it is even more difficult for your mind to focus on studying. Hence, make sure that you be creative enough, place some nice inspiring quotes, make some flashcards or sticky notes of formulae, etc., and keep it on your study table. So these were some tips that will help you to stay focused and less tired after school. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.